Do you know how much money your fleet is losing every day without you even realizing it? Because the highest costs are often hidden. Fuel is no longer just a line item, it's an operational vulnerability. Every wasted minute, inefficient route, and risky choice behind the wheel adds up. And without visibility, it's impossible to take action. Up to 20% of fuel is wasted due to inefficient driving habits. But fuel isn't the only cost that goes unnoticed. Small operational inefficiencies accumulate every day without anyone noticing. They are hidden in metrics that may not seem important, but which have a real cost. Based on all these metrics, it has been revealed that Europe's most efficient cities outperform the least efficient by 144%. That gap translates directly into wasted time, fuel, and operating costs. And without visibility, those losses often go unnoticed. That's why Geotab helps you minimize this impact. When you see the full picture, you can act sooner. Turn data into decisions with Geotab.